What is going on, family? It's your boy Terrell Bennett, co-founder and CEO of Forex Executives. And I know it's been a while, man. I know it's been a minute since I dropped a video, but I just had some life things happen to where I had to take a step back from the market and just focus on some things in my personal life. But I'm back. I hope everybody had a great 2018, and it was able to finish the year strong. Towards the end of the year, I usually take a mental break just to get away from the market, reassess, work on my plans and my goals for the upcoming year, spend time with family, and do those things. But we back in full effect. I switched brokers. I just had a lot of stuff going on, man. But I'm back. I'm gonna be trying to make another analysis video every single week, and also a topic video every single week as well, pertaining to the forex market. All right. So I hope you guys get ready. I hope everybody have a killer 2019, man, and let's just get straight into it. So this week I'm just going to analyze one pair, and that's EURJPY. So I just want to jump in right now, and as you guys know, JPY 2 weeks ago had this big push to the downside pretty much on every JPY pair, and so now all of them are pretty much pulling back, right? So let's just walk through this. All right, we had a push down, okay, we had a push up, push down, push up, and we had this major push all the way down. So the market spiked down, and this looked like the market is pulling back up to retest these lows. And like I said, this is the weekly chart, and I think we got another week's worth of pushing up, especially on this pair. Okay, so what I want to see is I want to see the market kind of push all the way up to this 126.80 zone, and this align right up with this trend line. And as you guys know, and if you don't know, the trend lines are stronger than these horizontal lines right here. Okay, all right, the market respects these trend lines a lot better than they do these horizontal lines. So I'm looking for the market to push all the way up to this 126.80 area. That's gonna line right up with my trend line and also the structure area. Okay, so I got these boxes marked off, and I just want to back up because price can do either two things. All right, price can go to this low, okay, or it can go all the way to this low. But I want to tell you guys something. When an area of structure is broken, right, whether we're talking about a support or resistance, the market is always going to pull back to it and retest before it continues. All right, so just looking, we had this clean break, okay, of this weekly. It was support at the time, this weekly support. So now the market has to come back to retest it as resistance. So we may get a deep push into this weekly resistance, and then a continuation to the downside, probably all the way down to this daily, or even lower all the way down to this recent low. Okay, so let's just move this out the way. Sorry about that. All right, so that's what I'll be looking for the market to do in this upcoming week. So let's just drop down to the daily, and let's just see what we got going on the daily chart. All right, like I said, I want to see the market kind of push up, and we got a nice little bullish engulfing close on Friday's candle. So you can see that the market pushed down, okay, market pushed back up. We never made a lower low. All right, we never made a lower low. So it looks like the market is turning. All right, turning to go to the upside. I think it will push all the way up, and then either to this trend line or to this weekly resistance for a retest, and then a continuation to the downside. All right, so and another thing, right, we can see that the market stopped plenty of times right here, and you can see it better on the weekly. So let's go to the weekly one more time. Okay, you can see the market, this weekly resistance now was support here, support here, support here, dropped below, came back, tested as resistance, broke above it, tested it as support, and we always got closes above this line. All right, so this tested it as support and support again. So we're looking for the market to pull back and retest this area as resistance. Okay, so what I want to see is I want to see the market actually kind of pull back first, okay, and try to fake a lot of people into thinking this thing is going to continue to short, and then we can get a move all the way back up to this 1.26. I mean this 126.80 area. All right, so let's just drop down to the H4. Let's see if we can see anything significant Okay, so first thing I see is I see a counter line. All right, so we can take it from these lows, right? This little recent low, and we want to touch as many candles as possible. Okay, so I want to see, like I said, you know, these trend lines, the market respects these trend lines very well. So you can see that the market started here. All right, it pushed up, came back, gave us a bullish railroad pattern, pushed up again. So I want to see the market kind of push back into this, or even deep, to trick a lot of people into taking this thing short, and then snap back up and go all the way up to this 126.80 area. All right, so that's one thing I will have my eye on at the beginning of the week. So let me just jump back on the daily. So you may be asking, you know, why do I have my take profit at 126.80? Yeah, I do have this trend line here, but also we take a fib from this low to this high, right? From this low to this high, okay? We can see that the negative 27, it lines right up with this 126.80 area, okay? So, you know, the 120, the negative 27 is you know, an area where I usually take profit using the fib. So we got that initial push. I usually want to see a deeper pullback, but we didn't get it. So we got to pull back to the 23.6, and it looked like we may get a continuation on up to this negative 27, or the market could come back, retest this 23.6 again, and then give us an explosion up to the negative 27. So it's multiple scenarios. I like to paint multiple scenarios. If you guys looked at my previous videos, you'll know I like to map out different scenarios. You know, I'm pretty sure you guys have heard of the if-then theory. If this happened, then I will do this. So I'm just trying to gear myself up for, you know, other possibilities for this market to do, and how I'll be able to react to it. So right now, I'm thinking we're going to get a further move to the upside, and then a potential fall off all the way down to this daily at 123, or even all the way down to these recent lows. So you guys, you know, I wanted to just go through this pair this week. I'm not going to touch on any other pair, man, but I want you guys to have a great, phenomenal week. Keep applying pressure, keep grinding, keep working, and I promise you, this year right here is the year of freedom. All right, I'm gonna be taking my life back, jumping out of this 9-to-5 and becoming a full-time trader. Just grind. All right, let's get it. Let's stay focused, and I hope you guys have a phenomenal week. And until next time, it's your boy Terrell. I'll see you next time.